Hi, I'm Makai, and I'm doing a new demo again because I made new UI changes for this project. And basically, the gist of this project, if you're not familiar, is that it streamlines the attendance taking process through the use of QR codes. So to get like more fun understanding on the technical side of the project, so this is a web app on the left hand side. On the right hand side is the database that I'm using. And on how this works is that on the actual web app is subscribed to a Firestore webhook. So whenever the property has attended changes, it basically a function that I passed into that webhook is invoked whenever the has attended property has changes. So it's a boolean right now. Currently it's false, as you can see. The user has not been attended, and I'm just rendering a component that says that the user has not been registered or attended, right? So on how this works is that I have another app that is meant to actually change the has attended property. So whenever the camera scans successfully the QR code, it invokes the function that I passed, which is it registers the user, which just basically changes the hash property from false to true. So let me just do this real quick. Oh, there you go. Scans successfully. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that the component changed to where it's now demo registry. But basically what it's just doing is just when the QR code is successfully scanned, it just makes it has attended property to true based on that particular user. And what is really cool about it is that if you have a lot of users, it just makes it really fast to just like scan everything. See, Sean Mendes now has been registered. What about Angel Bang? Very quick. Everything's really quick since once it successfully scans the QR code, like you don't really have to wait for anything at all. I don't know why it's not working for this one though. There you go, John Doe. And another feature that I actually added is that in order to incentivize more users to events, I added a feature called event points. So basically, event points is just a way to incentivize users to like attending more events or workshops. And one way to keep track of like the actual, or they can use event points to like buy merchandise and stuff like that. So if you're taking or if you're keeping track of the transactions, you need to use the merge mode, which basically just decrements their event points by 1. See, that used to be 2 before. So let's say Angel Bang here wants to buy a soda with his event points. All the user has to do is just like scan that. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Attendee has been charged 1 point, and it went from 0 to 1. But yeah, that's basically how the project is made and how it works.